Hey guys, it's Marshall with infocreates.com, and in this video we're going to go over the cut tool within Premiere Pro. If you've never really edited before, you might feel a little lost to open up these applications, so this is just a quick little insight to show you how to navigate and cut your clips. Let's go ahead and jump into it. What we'll need is at least one clip to be able to do this, so what I'm going to do is add a few to the timeline here. So I'm going to drag and drop one clip, and I'm going to keep the existing sequence. That's fine, just like that. Then I have this other cool bird clip that I'm going to drag and drop right behind it. And notice there's a cut in between these clips now, but we could go ahead and fine tune that by cutting a little end off of this first clip to mesh a little bit better for the second one. So how we do that is we could either go to the razor tool, which is right here, and if you hover over it, it'll say the name of the tool that you're hovering over. And the Mac keyboard shortcut for this is C. So what I'm going to do is just hit C on the keyboard, and notice now my razor tool is selected, and then I'm just going to go where my playhead's at right here, and then click and do a cut. And now we could go to the selection tool, or just press V on the keyboard and then click on this piece and then press delete on the keyboard. And notice there's a blank space that's created within our timeline. So then you could just select that space. And another way to do this is to trim the clip to where my playhead's at. Sometimes this is a little bit easier to do. So what you do is make sure you have your selection tool selected, and you could hold down the command key and then just drag that over, and notice the clip behind it follows in suit. So it sort of just saves up some time within the process for you. So now we'll go ahead to the end of this clip here, and we could either just drag and drop to trim the end of the clip, or we can do a cut by pressing C on the keyboard and then clicking in this space here, and then D on the keyboard, and then selecting that piece and deleting it. And that's how you quickly cut clips within Premiere Pro. If you all have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and also check us out at infocreates.com.